Hello, good morning, everybody. Okay, now that we have already finished unit number 5, we're going to review it by learning a few vocabulary related with it. Okay, this unit is called History and the Passage of Time. Past, that means pasado. It is said to be events which happened some time ago. For example, yesterday, 3 days ago, okay? Present are events which are happening now. For example, I am talking to you now and you are listening to me now. So that is the present, okay? Today is Wednesday, okay? That's the present as well. There are events that haven't happened yet, but they will happen in a while. Okay, and this is the future. For example, tomorrow will be Thursday. Next weekend, I will stay at home because we cannot go out yet. Okay. Well, this is the first thing that I wanted to tell. Do you remember the dating in Spanish? We use some words like, for example, lustro, okay? In English, we say 5 years old period. Decade, as you can guess, it means década. It's 10 years. Century, in Spanish, is siglo, is equal to 100 years. And if we want to talk about recent facts, we can use some other words to talk about it. For example, minutes, as you can guess, minutos, hours, horas, days, días, weeks, semanas, months, meses, and years, años. Okay, we're going to continue here. Historical sources. They document and provide information about events which happened, okay? So they give us some information about things from the past. Historians use them to locate events that happened. Okay, as we told in Spanish, historians use them to locate events that happen, and they can be written or not written. Okay, for example, if you remember, the written sources were those that use the word to give us information, okay? And the other ones, the non-written resources, were these ones that didn't use the word, as for example, a coin. A coin is a non-written source. A film is in Spanish una película. Paints, cuadros. Maps, mapas, muy bien. Legends and songs, for example, okay, we can use as well this kind of sources to know about the past. And the written historical sources are these ones, for example, newspapers, letters, books, and some other like these ones, okay? Let's go to the next page. This is what we have learned in the last part of this unit. They are the different periods that the history is divided into, okay? So we're going to begin with prehistory. It started 2 million years ago with the first humans, and it ended about 5,000 years ago with the invention of writing. You see, here we can see some primitive, okay? And for example, this woman is painting in the wall some animals so their god can give them the luck to hunt some of them. Then it goes the ancient history. It started 5,000 years ago with the invention of writing. Okay, so writing is the main invention that makes this change from prehistory to ancient history. And it ended in 476 before Christ with the fall of the Roman Empire. Then we've got the Middle Ages. It started in the year 476 before Christ with the fall of the Roman Empire, as I have said before, and it ended in 1492 when America was discovered. And finally, we've got these two ones, the modern age and the contemporary age. The modern age started in 1492 when America was discovered by Cristobal Colón, and it ended in 1789 with the start of the French Revolution. Finally, the contemporary age started in 1789 with the start of the French Revolution, and it's up to our days. Okay, so that was all. I hope that you understood everything. If you have any doubt, just ask your teachers. Bye bye.